highlighting the power of early education. This is my student. This is one of my students. When I got her, she was 4 years old. They were getting ready to label her autistic and kick her out of preschool. Now she does 100% work, wins all the spelling bees, wins all the awards. Have you ever had a kid come home with 5 awards? She comes home with 5 awards at least, 3 to 5 awards. And she's top of the class. Second year in a row. It took me about 8 months to get her top of the class status. This is my favorite. It says, not all students require student conferences. For your student, Jada so-and-so, there are no concerns at this time, so a conference is not needed. Anyone that has kids knows you've probably never seen that letter before. And it's amazing to get that kind of letter. That means you're causing no problems in class. That means you're doing everything you're supposed to be doing. And this child has went from autistic, bottom of the class, getting ready to get kicked out, worst behavior you'll ever find, and now she is the model student at school. That's the power of, well, my education. And that could be the power of anyone's education if they really try hard and really implement solutions that will work. And if you're willing to follow people that have been doing what you would like to do for many, many, many years. 22 years I've been bringing out the best in children. So I would like to inspire you to do the same by your children, on your own or through me. Contact me. Links should be at the bottom, and you can always leave comments in the comment section and information to reach you, and I will definitely contact you and provide homeschool counseling and homeschool consultation to get your children on this level, no matter what age they are. Be well.